One of the very best safety items ever devised is what's called the flat fork. And what that does is allows you to end up knowing when your mast is vertical or tilted to eliminate the possibility of your forks getting pinned down into a rack or a stack. And the way to calibrate this item is very simple. It takes about 30 seconds. Place the flat fork on the forks, tilt the forks so the mast becomes vertical, or you'll see that third light in the middle lit up. Then you take the flat fork, place it onto the side of the mast. You'll see that this is showing the light lit up at the bottom here, and what you're going to do is adjust, make an adjustment so your flat fork goes to the level position. Now you know that your forks are flat.
Train your forklift operators professionally with Trainmore's online forklift training program. Trainmore's content is mobile, memorable, and measurable. Join thousands of satisfied customers who currently use Trainmore.com.